what's going on, guys? So today in this video we got headers being painted. These are just headers off of
James.
They're for small block Chevy. They're going on the Camaro. So I figured, this is not a ceramic coating. This is just this is how they're shipped. This is a black paint because they're significantly cheaper than ceramic coated heads. I'd love to go with stainless steel ceramic coated heads, but I don't have the money for that. So I went ahead and I bought these. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna use this high temp paint. This is the flat white, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna paint these. So that's what this video is. It's just a quick video. Just painting both of these, and I just threw in some clips of painting them. First coat, second coat, what it looks like, flip them over, and paint the rest. So that's what this video is today. So what I should have done was prep these headers and took them down to bare metal, but I didn't want to, nor did I have the time or the resources. So I just decided to paint over this black coat, which will burn off. The black will burn off if you just put them on there like that. So I decided to just paint over the black. I don't know if it's gonna burn off when I put it on and heat soak it, but I figured let's give it a try. If not, I'll pull them back off, take them down to bare metal, and repaint them. So this is just a experiment, if you will. Okay, here's the second coat. I kind of bumped into the headers here with the can, but here's the second coat on the one side. It's coming together pretty good. Probably gonna let this dry, do a third touch-up coat, and then let that dry, flip them over, and do 3 more. And then I'm probably gonna have to buy another can for this pair of header. First coat on the other side of the header is complete, so I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to come through and hit it with 2 more coats, and then I'm going to have to buy another bottle or another can of spray paint to finish those. But this header is looking good, and so when I'm done with it, I will let it dry and show the final product. Okay, so now we're just adding the final coat to this coat. This is the second coat I've put on this. It's a little cold out. I know you're not supposed to paint when it's cold, but it's a header. It really doesn't matter. So this is the final coat going on this side, and then this header is done. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's probably gonna get dirty anyways. And I just wanted them to look white and cool. So as long as it turns out okay, I'll be satisfied. So this is how it turned out. This is after 1 can and 3 coats on each side. It is frosty from being outside in the cold. Hair from the carpet. But it didn't turn out too bad. I'm also about to have another video coming up of I bought a new engine opposed to the other new engine that I bought. And it's a 355, came out of a 1990 Corvette. It has flat top pistons with 4 valve relief. I'm not really sure what the pistons are as far as brand wise. So I got that long block it came with ported and polished 305 heads, but I'm selling those heads because I have the ported and polished Vortex 64cc chamber heads. So I'm using that. I have a Lunati Voodoo cam that you guys have seen in the first video, putting that in that, and then the video is just going to be wrapping the engine up, putting it all together, getting it ready to throw into the Camaro, and then I'll probably I'll take a video putting it into the car, and then wrapping up all the wiring and timing it, and basically just getting it to fire, and then a first drive with the new engine. And it should be a pretty hot motor. It probably should make about 400 horse, and then with the new trans, the new torque converter, it should probably do some pretty good donuts or burnouts. So there will be a video coming soon on that, probably this weekend. I'll take a video assembling and torquing the new engine, getting it ready to drop in, and then once it's ready to drop in, I'll put that video up, and then the next video following that will be dropping into the car, tightening it up, and starting the car.
Hi, it's Ben Fouts.